Hey everyone, welcome to Rainmaker 3D. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into environmental engineering and finding out exactly what environmental engineers do. So let's take a look.
Environmental engineering is a branch of engineering that focuses on protecting the environment by reducing pollution, improving waste management, and developing sustainable practices. It's the field where engineering meets environmental science to create solutions that protect our natural resources and public health. From designing water treatment plants to creating renewable energy systems, environmental engineers are on the front lines of building a sustainable future. Environmental engineering has its roots in public health and environmental protection. It gained momentum during the Industrial Revolution when people started recognizing the negative impact of industrialization on air, water, and land. Fast forward to the 1970s, and environmental awareness took off with the creation of laws like the Clean Water Act and Clean Air Act. These regulations sparked a new wave of environmental engineering practices aimed at minimizing human impact on the planet. So, what exactly do environmental engineers do? Their work covers a wide range of areas, but it all boils down to creating sustainable solutions that protect both people and the planet. Environmental engineers develop technologies that clean our water, reduce air pollution, manage waste, and address climate change. They design systems like wastewater treatment plants, recycling facilities, and renewable energy projects like solar farms and wind turbines. Let's take a closer look at some of the key areas within environmental engineering. One of the most important areas is water and wastewater treatment. Environmental engineers design systems that ensure safe drinking water and treat wastewater before it's released back into the environment. Next is air pollution control. Engineers in this field work on reducing emissions from factories, vehicles, and power plants. They develop technologies to filter out pollutants and monitor air quality. Waste management is all about handling solid and hazardous waste in an environmentally friendly way. Engineers design systems for recycling, composting, and safely disposing of hazardous materials. Another growing area is renewable energy. Environmental engineers play a key role in designing and implementing renewable energy projects like solar, wind, biomass, and geothermal energy systems. Finally, there's an environmental impact assessment. In this field, engineers assess the potential impact of construction projects, factories, or energy developments on the environment. They recommend ways to minimize harm and ensure sustainability. Environmental engineers use a range of tools to monitor and protect the environment. They use water testing kits to ensure clean drinking water, air quality monitors to track pollutants, and computer models to predict environmental changes. These tools help engineers collect data, identify problems, and design solutions that are both efficient and environmentally friendly. Environmental engineering has a wide range of real-world applications, and its impact can be seen all around us. Some key areas include clean water, designing systems to provide safe, clean drinking water and treat wastewater to prevent pollution. Air quality, reducing harmful emissions and improving the air we breathe in cities and industrial areas. Sustainable energy, developing renewable energy systems like solar and wind farms to reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Waste reduction, creating recycling programs and waste management systems that minimize environmental harm. There are many career paths in environmental engineering. You could work for government agencies like the Environmental Protection Agency, helping to enforce regulations and develop new environmental policies. Or you could work in the private sector for companies involved in renewable energy, water treatment, waste management, and pollution control. Many environmental engineers also work as consultants, advising businesses and governments on how to minimize their environmental impact. So, what skills do you need to succeed as an environmental engineer? Problem solving is a huge part of environmental engineering. Whether you find ways to reduce pollution or designing renewable energy systems, you need to think critically and develop innovative solutions. You'll also need to be familiar with environmental laws and regulations, since they play a major role in the field. Being able to analyze data from environmental tests and monitoring systems is key to making informed decisions. Creativity is important too. Many of the solutions you'll develop will require thinking outside the box. And finally, strong communication skills are essential for working with teams, writing reports, and explaining complex issues to non-engineers. To get started in environmental engineering, you'll typically need a bachelor's degree in environmental engineering, civil engineering, or a related field. During your studies, you'll learn about water treatment, air pollution control, sustainable energy, and environmental science. Internships and real-world experience are also important. You can work with environmental consulting firms, government agencies, or energy companies to gain hands-on experience in the field. Environmental engineering is all about making the world a better, more sustainable place. From ensuring clean water to creating renewable energy solutions, environmental engineers are at the forefront of tackling the most critical environmental challenges. If you're passionate about protecting the planet and solving complex environmental problems, environmental engineering might be the perfect field for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content about engineering, innovation, and technology here on Rainmaker 3D.